Hi, good morning, everybody. It is Saturday. It is Catherine. Hey, just wanted to get on here real quick and invite you guys to my open house. I'll be doing an open house in Holiday Hills. It is a mobile home park off of I-25. It is 1801 West 92nd in Federal Heights, lot number 147. So please stop by and see me. Bring a coffee because you know how much I love coffee, right? I got my handy dandy trusty big huge what is it? Oh, you know, it's one of these. What is it? It's pretty big. I think it's not thermos, it's Yeti. That's what it is. It's my Yeti coffee cup, and I fill that up a couple times a day, but I gotta have my coffee. So anyways, rambling. Stop by my open house. Be pleasure to show you the property, show you the park, community. This unit has been totally remodeled. Gorgeous tile work done by the seller. Remodeled bathroom. It is a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. Beautiful. It's almost on a corner lot, I would say. So lots of privacy, beautiful backyard deck. Stop by and see me and bring me a cup of coffee. It is on the market for $89,500 with a new roof coming. Thank you, guys.